Welcome on Bandha Classes YouTube channel. I am Namkat Mishra with you to discuss different types of product of algebraic expression. Hope you have to enjoy this session. My dear student, in this question you have to multiply x cube plus y cube by 6 upon 5x. While you have to multiply the binomial, then you have to multiply each of the term of the binomial with 6 upon 5x. So x cube is multiplied by 6 upon 5x and there is a plus sign, so you have to put here, and after that y cube is multiplied by 6 upon 5x, and after multiplication you know very well that 6 upon 5, because there is a 1, so 1 is multiplied by 6 upon 5 is 6 upon 5, and when you multiply x cube by x, then you get 3 plus 1 means actually 4, plus in this case if you have to multiply, there is a numerical factor is 1, and when 1 is multiplied by 6 upon 5, then the result is 6 upon 5, and x, there is a x but there is no x, so you have to write down an x, and there is another literals is y cube, so you have to put here y cube. So after multiplication you get the result 6 upon 5 x to the power 4 plus 6 upon 5 x y cube. My dear student, in this first algebraic expression has been given of trinomials, 3 terms. First term is minus 2ab, second term is plus cd, and third term what is minus ef, and it should be multiplied by minus 3x square y square. So you have to multiply separately each term. Minus 2ab multiplied by minus 3x square y square. Then you have to multiply cd with minus 3x square y square. And after that you have to multiply minus ef by minus 3x square y square. And when you have to multiply, then you know that minus minus plus, and 2 3s are 6, and after that all are different non-variable, and this is why you have to write abx square y square plus, in this case 1 is multiplied by minus 3, so result is minus 3. So either you write here in bracket minus 3, or some student can change here and they can write down minus 3 directly, and after that you have to multiply its literals, and when you multiply then you get cd x square y square, in this case minus and minus, when you multiply then it converts into a plus, and when ef is multiplied by 3x square y square, then you get 3ef x square y square. That is the result. My dear student, now I have to multiply 100x by 0.01 x to the power 4 minus 0.01 x square. So you have to multiply separately 100x by 0.01 x to the power 4, after that plus minus minus, and 100x by 0.01 x square, and after simplification you can get x to the power 5 minus x to the power 3. In the second question you can just see that actually it contains 3 terms, and each term is multiplied, each term contains binomial x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5. So similarly you have to multiply 4x square is multiplied by x, 4x square is multiplied by minus 3, 3x square is multiplied by x, 3x square is multiplied by minus 4, minus 5x square is multiplied by x, minus 5x square is multiplied by minus 5, and when you multiply and simplify, then you can get the result 2x cube plus x square. Similarly in the third case you can just see that m square is multiplied by 2a minus 3b, m square is multiplied by 3a plus 4b, and minus m square is multiplied by 3a minus 4b. So you have to multiply separately. M square is multiplied by 2a, m square is multiplied by minus 3b. M square is multiplied in middle term. You can just see that m square is multiplied by 3a, m square is multiplied by 4b. And in the final term, minus m square is multiplied by 3a, minus m square is multiplied by minus 4b. And after simplification, you can just get 2am square plus 5bm square. And here I made you clear that am square is totally different from bm square, because m square is same but a and b both are different, so they cannot be considered as like terms. So you have to do the calculation of the like terms, and after simplification you get this result. My dear student, in this question, at first you have to simplify, and after that you need to put the value a is equal to 0, a is equal to 1 and a is equal to minus 1 separately in 3 different cases. Let's check. After simplification, I get a cube plus a square plus a plus 5, and now you need to put the value. Putting the value a is equal to 0, then a cube plus a square plus a plus 5 can be written as 0 cube plus 0 square plus 0 plus 5, and its result is 5. Similarly, in second, putting a is equal to 1, then we get a cube plus a square plus a plus 5 is equal to 1 cube plus 1 square plus 1 plus 5, and its result is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 5, because 1 cube is equal to 1 and 1 square is also 1, so its result is 8. Similarly, in the third case, putting the value of a is equal to minus 1, then a cube plus a square plus a plus 5 can be written as minus 1 cube plus minus 1 square plus minus 1 plus 5, and when minus 1 is multiplied 3 times, then its result is equal to minus 1, plus when minus 1 is multiplied 2 times, it is equal to 1, and plus multiply by minus, then result is minus, and there is 1, so you have to put minus 1 plus 5. And after simplification, you know very well that 5 plus 1 6, 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. This type of question, at first you have to simplify, then you need to put the value that is given in the question. My dear student, you can just see that you need to subtract 3l into l minus 4m plus 5n from 4l into 10n minus 3m plus 2l. In this question, you know very well that you have to write 4l into 10n minus 3m plus 2l is written first, because it is the expression from which you have to subtract, and what you have to subtract, 2l into l minus 4m plus 5n, and after multiplication you have to simplify it, and for these purposes you have to multiply 4l with 10n, then 4l with 3m, and 4l with 2l, and after that minus 3l with l, minus 3l with minus 4m, minus 3l with 5n, and after simplification you can get the result 5l square plus 25ln. In the next question, you have to, at first you need to multiply, and after that you have to add. If both the operation has done together, then you can write this question by this way, 2x is multiplied by z minus x minus y plus 2y into z minus y minus x. And you know very well that this is trinomials and it can be multiplied 1 by 1, 2x with z, 2x with minus x and 2x with minus y. In this second part, you have to multiply 2y with z, 2y with minus y and 2y with minus x. And after simplification, you can get the result minus 2x square minus 2y square minus 4xy plus 2xz plus 2yz. One thing I made you clear that here you can just see that minus 2xy and minus 2yx. Actually both are the similar one because xy is equal to yx by the commutative law of multiplication, because x into y is equal to y into x. Similarly, some student can write down 2xz as 2zx because both are similar one. So it may be possible that while doing the multiplication, then its order may change. In place of 2yz, some student can write 2zy. And while doing the calculation, you must pay attention that xy and yx both are equal, zy or yz both are equal, xz or zx both are the equal, means actually they are the like term. So while simplification, you have to just pay attention on these issues. To do the calculation in a perfect way with full of perfection, then you have no any problem to solve the question. Thank you very much. Keep watching Bandhana Classes YouTube channel.